Welcome to Hebei AAA-Long Tech, China's top crochet basket factory. We specialize in manufacturing crochet baskets with over 30 years of experience. We not only produce various styles of crochet baskets but also provide all the materials needed for crochet basket making, including custom wooden bases and t-shirt yarn. First finished baskets. We produce crochet baskets in various shapes and sizes, including round pet beds with cushions, gift baskets, jewelry storage baskets, coffee table trays, plant holders, baby Moses baskets, baby changing baskets, baby diaper caddies, wine bottle bags, and more, suitable for a variety of home and pet store uses. Second, custom wooden bases. We offer custom wooden bases in various shapes and sizes to provide stable support and unique style for your crochet baskets. Third, t-shirt yarn. Our t-shirt yarn is the ideal choice for crochet baskets, soft, comfortable, and available in a wide range of colors. We can customize the length and color according to your needs. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a commercial producer, we can meet your needs and provide high-quality products and services. Contact us to learn more about custom options and wholesale prices. Contact information: phone/WhatsApp +86 1537 4126. Email marsha@alongtech.com. Website www.aaalongtech.com. WeChat Rope Basket Factory. Let our products add a unique style to your crochet creations.